Starts again.
Yeah, I have some. Like, I have one from the other day where he was just pissed because Ernie had the red frisbee, and he's not stupid either. He knows where the gate closes, and that's why I close it, but then I have to turn it so that it stays locked, because otherwise he can push it open. If he hits it hard enough, he can just knock it loose.
Oh,
And then
so
he takes his mouth and he puts it around the bars right where the door is, and he pulls with his mouth to try to pull it open.
cute.
Because it's worked for him before.
Right.
So he does it. So he'll bark, and then his face is like through the gate like this, and he's trying to bark too. He just comes up in a minute.
He really wants Lexi. He's recording it.
He's out of breath. I can't do Chewbacca. It's that. It'll go really long, and he'll make different sounds, and it'll go higher and lower through the thing. Such a weirdo.
Lexi, we're teasing you. At least pet him.
Just let him be careful that he